Hi there, it's Sam from pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little milk carton box using 6x6 paper. You can fit some little treats and sweets and goodies in there. Maybe a little bottle of perfume, something like that. But I just love it. I'm addicted to these papers. I think that's not unknown. But I really love using the bright. So this is Gorgeous Grape, and I'm going to work with Poppy Parade on the next one. And the gorgeous Above the Clouds, which comes with a punch. So the punch will do the outline of the larger balloons. It will also do the baskets, and you can also create bunting along here as well. Really cute. And so I'm going to work with that one. But yeah, you need a piece of paper that is 6 by 6 inches, 15¼ by 15¼ centimetres. So basically you don't have to cut it, not if you're using these. And on the long side, or on the long side, there is no long, they're both the same size. On the first side, score it at 1 3/8 of an inch, 2 3/4, 4 1/8, and 5½ inches, which in metric is 3½, 7, 10½, and 14. Turn it to one side and score it again at 1 3/8 of an inch. Then score it at 4½. So in metric, that's 3½, 11½. Turn it over. So not turning it around, turning it over, and score it at 5½, which is 14 centimetres. Okay, so come back to the original side. Fold and burnish your score lines. Isn't Poppy Parade a really lovely red? I really love real red. Actually, I really like this one too. It's a summery red. I don't know if that makes sense at all. It feels like it. So, okay, we're coming to the top part. So I did 2 score lines at the top in opposite directions, so you need to burnish in opposite directions as well. So you end up with that, because that's going to be the top part. Okay, so you can see my score lines everywhere. I'm going to mitre at the top, and there's a little skinny bit. I'm going to take that away and then cut up those ones. It's going to mitre in the wrong direction then. So the finished dimensions of this is 1 3/8 all the way around by 3 1/8 to that point. So in metric, that's 3½ to there and 8 centimetres to there. Wibble that bit. Okay, so that's all my cutting done. Where's my tear and tape? Underneath something. So tear and tape down that part. And fold in 2 sides and the back. Another piece of tear and tape there. And then pinch in at the top, and it will stop where we've got these score lines here, and it won't go any further. It won't even try and go any further. And then I'm going to take one of the super teeny, really little teeny clips. I'm going to take a white one this time, and they are properly tiny, and clip it closed. So there we go. Onto there. Right, let's get some white cardstock. I don't want a massive piece, that should do. And then my stamp set. So I'm going to take out my 2 butterflies and then my phrase. Life is... I want life is a beautiful ride. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the centre part first. I'm going to get my real red, stamp it once, and then stamp it again. because I want the paler shade. I'm just cleaning it on my Stampin' scrub, which is off to one side. And then pick up the outer part. So this has got a full depth, and if my hair gets in the camera, I'm sorry. I'm trying to look round. And then that goes round the balloon. Couldn't think what it was called. Oh, my brain has exited the building. If anybody sees it on their travels, return it, please. Okay, and I'm going to punch that. I'm not worrying about the basket because actually it's going to get tucked away when I stamp and cut the words. And take my big scissors. Hack off, because, you know, hacking it off is a good technical thing to do. Pick up that. Bottom corner, and then I'm going to chop that again. I'm going to chop that too. You need long scissors for this because you need to be able to go in one go. And I'm going to put some snail just at the lower part of the I want to call it a butterfly, it's not, it's a balloon. And set it off there. So I just want the bottom part because obviously it's sticking out. And I'm going to grab finish off my dimensionals. One in the middle there. And one there. How cool is that? How quick is that? Oh, less than 7 minutes. Bravo, how cute. You could have a rainbow of those for a summer garden party or something like that, but I love them. I love how they look. Just adorable. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.